The following message is transmitted by order of the United States government. Due to the irregular and higher concentrated amounts of UV radiation being emitted from the total solar eclipse, all residents of the United States should seek shelter immediately. For those who are not in the Raleigh-Durham metropolitan area, please be aware that the total solar eclipse is emitting large and extremely deadly amounts of UV radiation. Please get inside of a shaded structure, preferably one that has few windows. If no shelter is available, seek out the most shaded portion of your area as best as possible. Persons, pets, and livestock exposed to the high amounts of UV radiation will face certain death if caught outside. Do not delay. Seek shelter now.